Hey, so today we're going to cover what accessories you should have on your bike, and more specifically, what accessories should you have on your Streetfighter V2. So let's get to it. So here we have a 2023 Streetfighter V2. I love this bike. It's absolutely phenomenal. But what really makes it come alive, it's all the little gizmos and things that I have added to it that make this bike phenomenal in really any environment, but more specifically on the mountain trips where we go and ride twisty roads. So few accessories that really stand out. First of all, these mirrors. I love these mirrors. They're stylish, they're phenomenal. The link is in the description. The second thing that I want to point out is this phone mount. It's really nothing too fancy, but it's very functional. It grips the phone well, it's easy to operate. It's you just stick your phone in there and boom, it works. Obviously, all of us want to make sure that your phone stays charged. So in order to do so, I highly recommend getting a USB charger. So this particular one, it's actually two chargers in one. As you can see, I have this thing wired in. All of this hides quite nicely. The battery on the Streetfighter V2, it's right under here. So everything is hidden and looks stock. As you can see, none of the wires, cables are showing, so it's a pretty clean installation. Now, the reason why I like this one, it integrates quite well. As you can see, it hides well. It just blends right in. It's got a standard USB as well as USB-C, and with the short little cable, it just plugs right in, and off we go. The other thing, it's this awesome quick fill. Look how easy this is. Boom, off we go. Now, some people might say, I want a key in mine because I leave my bike outside, and that's a fair point. Me, on the other hand, I'm always cautious about where I leave my bike, so it either stays in my garage or it stays where I can keep an eye on it. So I'm not worried too much about it. Now, next thing is this tail tidy, and look how slick this looks. So this tail tidy, again, the link is in the description for all of these things. It really blends in nicely with the overall bike. From the side, from the back, the blinkers are super visible, and the installation was very easy. All right, so the next thing is this seat cover, carbon fiber seat cover. I just love the look of it. It's absolutely stunning, but I just love how it blends and how everything just kind of flows, and especially since I have a lot of carbon fiber accessories on it. Yeah, it goes well with it. So you obviously need something to protect your tank, so both the side grips with the V2 on it, as well as the tank protector. Again, link in the description. And then last but not least, Shift Tag carbon exhaust. It's absolutely phenomenal. It eliminates, I would say, about 20 pounds of dead weight that would normally hang under the bike. So if you're like me, well, I'm not the most skinny guy in the world. Now, I do try to maintain my weight. However, it's not always easy. So shaving a weight off of a bike, it's definitely a way to do it. So I highly recommend that exhaust. It sounds absolutely sick. So there you have it. These are all the accessories that I have on my bike. Oh, I did forget about one thing. Oh gosh, protecting our investment. And we do this by installing this phenomenal Radiator Guard. So this thing is from Evotech. Again, link in the description. And this is probably by far one of the most important things on the bike. So you want to keep this machine running cool. You don't want to have any dents or dings on the radiator. So get that in, get it installed. If you need help installing it, drop me a comment, and I will make a video specifically about installation of that radiator guard. So stay cool, keep it rubber side down, and keep on rocking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos.